problems on the mensuration, means the area and so on. Now, today I have a problem. Same thing is there. There is a rectangle. So here, in the rectangle which has a length is a 14 centimeter and whose breadth is 7 centimeter. We have a rectangle having length and breadth 14 by 7 centimeter. If the rectangle is considered as a length of 14 by 7 centimeter, now for this rectangle, inside this rectangle there are one semicircle and one quadrant is there. The semicircle is on the half portion of one side and the quadrant is on one side, which is a smaller side. And it is asked for this rectangle, we have some remaining portion of this rectangle. Now, portion of the remaining portion, we have some tricks and we have some conclusion and we have to use some formula is there. Now, how to find it is our question. Now, how to find that is our question. How to find, before this, what is our question? See here, this is our question. This is our diagram. Cut this diagram.
Sir, it is not
This is
visible.
our diagram.
Sir, it is not proper visible. Sir.
Okay, see here, this is our diagram. No, now, okay. Let me take this. Try to consider it in another way. Wait a 1 minute. Okay. Now you can draw, all of you can draw a rectangle having two sides. AB and BC are its sides. And length of AB is 14 centimeter and length of BC is 7 centimeter. What will be the area of rectangle? It is very simple, 14 into. But our question is not to find the area of rectangle. We have another part of this question. I tried to give you a screenshot, but not possible. The portion, the page is not appropriate. Now see here. If we try to draw a diagram or rectangle, if we try to draw the, wait a minute. To be 77 by 2. Add these two and subtract from 98, you will get your answer. Add these two and subtract from 98, you will get your answer. Add these two, you will get your answer. Find it. 77 by 4 plus 77 by 2. Subtract from 98. Find it. You will find as your own the solution. The answer will be 40 point something. Check, verify it. See here, 77 by 2 plus 77 by 4. What is its addition is our part. Make the denominator same. 2 is there, 4 is there. Make it 4. To make it 4, you have to multiply it by 2 or isko bhi 2 se. 2 into 77 plus 77. 2 into 77 plus 77 upon 4. Matlab 3 into 77 upon 4. So 3 into 77 upon 4 will be what? 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21 plus 2, 23. 241 upon 4 square centimeter. Divide by 4. 4 ones are 4 fives are 20. 3, 4 six are 4 sevens are 28. 3. Again 4 sevens are 28. See here 2. 4 fives are 30. 57.75. Whether it is right or wrong, see here. 57. Subtract it from 98. So 98 minus 57.75. The remaining portion is your. The remaining part is to solve as your own. 57 minus 57.75. 40.25 is our answer. 404.25. 40.25. The answer is 40.25. We will go towards the next problem. Very simple problem. Again, I have another question. The two perpendicular diameters of a circle are there. AB, not AB, AC and BD are the perpendicular diameters of a circle. एक सर्कल के ये दोनों perpendicular diameters है. And it is given that area of shaded region is 108 square centimeters. Then calculate what you have to calculate. Calculate the length of diagonal AC. Calculate AC. It is our part. Calculate the length AC means diagonal AC. Means that diameter AC, not diagonal. Calculate AC. If you get AC, you can find radius and so on. So what is the diagram? The diagram is given. This is your circle. These are the two diameters. They are perpendicular to each other. And it is given that the shaded region, area of shaded region. Which is the shaded region? The shaded region is the cross area. This one is. Very simple question is there. Very simple question is there. Now the shaded region is there and it is asked to find the diameter AC. Shaded region, if we combine completely, it becomes the semicircle and the remaining area becomes the semicircle, area of semicircle. Because here's the solution. These are 4-quarter circle due to the perpendicular of two diameters. When two diameters are perpendicular, the circle is converted into 4-quarter circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, these are the two shaded region and these are two unshaded region. The area of shaded region is the area of semicircle. Area of unshaded region is the area of 3 is the of shaded region. What does it mean? Means area of semicircle is 308. Area of semicircle is 308. Come to our point. Area of semicircle equals to 308. Area of semicircle is 308 centimeter square. Then what is area of circle? Area of circle will be 2 into 308. 2 into 308. So what is formula of area of circle? Pi r square equals to 2 into 308. Diameter you obtain 28. Who are you? Whatever it may be. Let us calculate. So here pi r square. So r square will be what? 2 into 308 into 2 7.22. The calculation is there. And from this you will find the radius r square. Pi is 22 by 7. Yes, so many students are calculating the diameter. Shubham, Nainish. Okay. Find r square. Yes. Sahil. Yes. Ansh. Okay. Akash. So all the students are calculating that radius as a 28. They all of us calculated the radius as 28 and it is asked to find the length AC. Then the AC will be double of the 28. The length of AC will be what? It will be what? 28 twos are what? 56 centimeters. It must be your answer, whatever it may be. If you are calculating, good. Whether you are right, check again. Whether you are right, again check. What is our final answer? What is the diameter AC? It was our final question. We had a question about this diameter AC. Not only about this. Radius 14. How? Calculation is there. Okay, चलो calculation की ओर बढ़ेंगे. Area of shaded region was 308. Again, come to the point. Okay. Whatever it may be. Doubt, 2 minute. In what respect you have doubt? 28 half 14, ठीक है. Okay, I am going to explain it. See here, it was given that area of the shaded region was 308. So when the perpendicular diameters are there, they must be perpendicular at the center of them. This 4 times of this. There are 4 quadrants. Okay. So these 2 quadrants will become semicircle and these 2 quadrants will become another semicircle. Area of semicircle is 308. So area of circle will be double of this. 2 into 308. Okay. 308. Now, what is formula of area of circle? Pi r square. 2 into 308. Good suggestion. Thank you. Now, what is r square? Pi मतलब 22/7. जब right side जाएगा तो pi हो जाएगा 2 into 308 into. Yes. I have fixed it. ये r square. ये pi जो है वो right side जाएगा तो हो जाएगा 7/22. ये 22/7 इधर जाके होगा 7/20. अब ये कैलकुलेशन आपको करना है. 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22. See here, अभी नहीं होगा ब्रेक. अब कंप्लीट फिक्स कैमरा. 11 2s are 22. 11 2s are 22. Remains 8. Okay. 11 8s are 88. 28. 2 cancel. 28 into 7. Radius square. 28 into 7. Radius square. R square is 28 into 7. R square is 28 into 7. रुको, प्रॉब्लम दूसरा है, वो स्क्रीन का प्रॉब्लम है. अब देखो, रेडियस स्क्वायर अगर 28 into 7, R square is 28 into 7. 28 मतलब 7 into 4 into 7. So 7 के 2 7 के जगह एक 7 होगा स्क्वायर रूट लेते समय, और 4 के जगह 2. तो R will be what? 7 into 2. Value of radius will be 14. रेडियस 14 है तो आपका ये 28. Students, the problem solution. R square is 28 into 7. क्या मैं प्रॉब्लम स्क्रीन? वेरी गुड. रेडियस 14 है तो हमें क्वेश्चन पूछा है व्हाट इज AC, लेंथ AC. इट इज डबल ऑफ द रेडियस, सो आंसर इज 28. दैट्स इट. AC is 28. That's it. We go toward the next problem. Yes, it was a simple problem. It was a simple problem. Yes, you calculated it. Now let us consider another problem. somewhat different question. Many times such questions were asked. You have this circle. This is a circle. Okay. The diameter of circle is given. Diameter of circle. And radius of circle is given 6 centimeter. You are given this as a diameter. PS. I am considering the notation of the problem as usual. PS. PS is the diameter of circle and radius of circle is 6. Automatically you will think that what will be the diameter. Now, given things I am writing. Radius. Now there are 2 points on this diameter, Q and R. There are 2 points. There is a Q point and there is R point. Akash, what problem you have? Q and R are the 2 points on the diameter, such that these 3 portions are equal. PQ equals to given QR equals to RS. PQ, QR, RS. These are 3 equal portions. Now, with diameter PQ, there is a semicircle drawn. A semicircle is drawn with diameter PQ. There is a semicircle drawn with diameter PQ. And again, another semicircle is drawn with the diameter QS. This is the another semicircle drawn with the diameter QS. And it is asked to find the area of this shaded region. This is the new shaded region. This is the new shaded. It was a very old problem from your textbook. Now you have seen the diagram and also you are hearing the explanation. PQ is 4, 4 3s are 12. Yes. QR is 4, RS is 4. Yes, you are right. Means QS will be 8. What will be the diameter or radius of QS is again question. Yes, 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 you are charting. Good. See here. You have PS. PS is the diameter. PS equals to diameter. Consider